This week is National Environment Awareness Week. The week will see several activities being spearheaded by the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. NEPA's Director of Environment Management and Conservation, Anthony McKenzie, says the week got started with a church service at Bethel Baptist Church in Halfway Tree.
Again, it's an opportunity for us, in particular, to build awareness in the church community on matters relating to the environment and environmental stewardship.
World Environment Day will be celebrated on June 5th. The global theme for World Environmental Day 2025 focuses on ending plastic pollution. Mr. McKenzie says NEPA will be hosting a symposium on that day under the theme State of the Environment in Jamaica, Challenges, Opportunities, and Pathways for Sustainability. The symposium will provide a platform for identifying pressing environmental issues while fostering collaboration and innovation to protect Jamaica's unique natural heritage.
This symposium will address the topic, the state of the environment in Jamaica, challenges, opportunities, and pathways for sustainability. The conference will be held at the Jamaica Conference Center, and we begin at 9 o'clock.
A mangrove cleanup will also take place on June 6th at the Gallows Point in the Palisadoes Port Royal protected areas. Community members from Port Royal and other volunteers will take part.
Where we'll be planting mangroves and removing plastics from our ocean. I should make the point that the theme for World Environment Day, and reflected in the entire week, is combating plastic pollution, building ocean resilience. It's about turning the tide. That's the theme associated with the day. So, in celebration of World Ocean Day, which is the 8th of October, we'll be having this exercise on the Friday. World Ocean Day is the Sunday, so we'll be having this exercise on the Friday. Again, as I said, to remove plastics from our ocean. We have a significant problem with plastics, as some of us would be aware, and it gets into our marine environment and impacts the marine life and the coastal resources that are there.
A 3K walk-run is scheduled for June 8th in the Hope Gardens and will focus on promoting environmental stewardship.
We'll be running and walking in aid of the species conservation. So we have identified two particular species, one flora, one fauna. So the animal species is the crocodile, and the funds that we raise will go towards the conservation, the protection. We're hearing a lot about the crocodile in recent times, about them being killed and so on. So some of the funds will be towards that, as well as the endemic, meaning tree ferns that are found nowhere else but in Jamaica.
You should know that NEPA is the lead government agency with a mandate for environmental protection, natural resource management, land use, and spatial planning in Jamaica.